Number 1. 1963 Ford Falcon, price $7,800. This is a solid and reliable car with 98,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and comes in a striking burgundy exterior color with a sleek black interior. Powered by a future 176-cylinder engine, this car runs amazingly and is great on gas. It was once the daily driver of its owner and remains a smooth cruiser. The body is in decent shape, though there is some old bodywork showing on the wheel wells. Despite this, the inside and unibody are solid, making it a great candidate for a rat rod project, or even just as a dependable daily driver. The car's classic style and smooth performance make it a versatile option for anyone looking for a unique vehicle to restore or modify. Number 2. 1963 Chevrolet Classic Sedan, price $5,000, featuring a striking red exterior and matching red interior. It is powered by a 250 inline-six engine paired with a Hydroglide automatic transmission. With only 1,000 miles traveled, this car starts right up and runs great, making it ready to drive immediately. The vehicle comes with additional features, including a spare engine and a second set of aluminum slot rims, 13 inches for the front and 14 inches for the back. Additionally, it is equipped with dual exhausts, a 12-bolt rear end, headers, and a Hofensetter intake, providing a solid performance. The car runs smoothly and is a true testament to classic Chevrolet engineering. Number 3. 1991 BMW 3 Series 318i, price $7,995, boasting a 198,000-mile history. This vehicle is equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, providing an engaging and enjoyable driving experience. Its exterior is a sleek white, paired with a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. The car has been meticulously serviced by a BMW dealer throughout its life and has always been garage kept, which has preserved its condition. It has never been exposed to harsh winter conditions, as it has never been driven in salt or snow, ensuring that there is no rust anywhere on the body. The car has undergone a thorough inspection, and it holds a clean title, further affirming its reliability and care. Aside from a few minor imperfections, this BMW is in phenomenal shape for its age and represents a solid opportunity for those looking for a vintage model in exceptional condition. Number 4. 1999 Chevrolet Corvette, price $8,500, features a 5.7L V8 LS1 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 218,000 miles on it. The car runs and drives exceptionally well, offering a smooth and powerful performance. Its exterior is finished in a vibrant red, complemented by a sleek black interior, both of which are in great condition. The paintwork is well preserved, with only minor imperfections that don't take away from its overall appeal. It uses gasoline as its fuel type and comes with a clean title, making it a great value for the money. The Corvette is an ideal candidate for historic registration, providing a chance to enjoy a classic sports car with modern reliability. Number 5. 1981 Cadillac Brougham d'Elegance, price $3,500. With just 79,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle has been well preserved over the years. It boasts a stunning gray exterior paired with a matching gray interior, creating a seamless and elegant design. Equipped with an automatic transmission, the car offers a smooth and effortless driving experience, perfectly aligned with Cadillac's reputation for comfort and refinement. This Cadillac has been meticulously maintained, ensuring it runs and drives excellently. Several key components have been recently upgraded, including brand new tires, brakes, belts, a new battery, and a new power steering pump, ensuring reliability and performance. While the vehicle is in great overall condition, the front seats will need replacement to complete its restoration. Number 6. 1966 Ford Thunderbird, price $9,000. This is a classic gem with 60,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a sleek black exterior, and a bold red interior. It is powered by its original 390 cubic inch V8 engine, maintained in excellent running condition. The car retains its original paint, upholstery, and instruments, blending authenticity with timeless style. Upgrades include an aftermarket radiator, an additional radiator fan, a digital radio modeled after the original, a new water pump, and a starter. While the temperature gauge isn't functional, all other instruments work perfectly. Recently serviced and inspected, this Thunderbird drives smoothly and remains a reliable piece of automotive history. Number 7. 1989 Oldsmobile Toronado Trofeo, price $7,500. This particular car has been carefully maintained, having traveled 92,100 miles. It features an automatic transmission, a striking burgundy exterior, and a matching burgundy interior, all of which are in great condition. Equipped with the sought-after Trofeo package, this Oldsmobile comes with 14-way power seats, fog lights, and a moonroof, enhancing its premium appeal. The vehicle has been elderly owned and driven, reflecting its careful use and preservation. It runs excellently, delivering plenty of power and a smooth driving experience. The air conditioning is ice-cold, the oil is clean, and the car drives reliably and confidently on the road. It comes with a clean, present, and transferable title, ensuring a hassle-free ownership process. Number 8. 1968 Ford Mustang, price $5,000, with 99,000 miles, a green exterior, and a black interior. Powered by a 289 V8 engine with an automatic transmission, it comes with a booklet of maintenance receipts. The car has been restored with new parts and paint, features a custom auto sound unit with 8.5 rear speakers, and has always been garage-kept, used mostly as a Sunday driver. It's a perfect winter/spring cruiser for Arizona weather. While the car is in great shape, it does require a new starter, and the water pump needs replacement. A brand new pump is included but not yet installed. Note that the Mustang lacks power steering and air conditioning, making it a raw and authentic driving experience for classic car enthusiasts. Number 9. 1966 Chevrolet Impala, price $7,500, features a tan exterior with an automatic transmission, making it a classic and stylish choice for any car enthusiast. Under the hood, it's equipped with a reliable Chevy Crate 350 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The car maintains 40 pounds of oil pressure and has been upgraded with a brand new Holley carburetor and Edelbrock intake, ensuring smooth performance. It rides on new Chevy Rally wheels and tires, which were replaced 6 months ago and have less than 5 miles of use. The suspension has been refreshed with new shocks all around, and the brakes are in good condition, providing dependable stopping power. Other recent updates include new hoses, belts, and spark plugs. The interior features a rear bench seat in red, adding a unique contrast to the tan exterior. Additionally, the seller is offering a new grille as an optional add-on for buyers who are interested. This Impala starts up easily and runs well, though it would benefit from a tune-up to optimize its performance. Number 10. 1972 Lincoln Continental Mark IV, price $7,500, with just 77,300 original miles. Finished in a beautiful yellow exterior with a brown interior, this timeless vehicle exudes vintage charm. It has been owned by a single meticulous owner and has been garage-kept throughout its entire life, ensuring its elegant lines and luxurious interior remain well preserved. Powered by a smooth and powerful 460 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, the original details of the car, combined with its minimal wear, showcase the exceptional care it has received over the years. This iconic vehicle offers a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history that runs and drives beautifully.